There are three things that you need to keep in mind. One is cooking. For how long you should cook your grenade. Second thing is you need to rebound it properly. If you know where your enemy is and you are behind some cover, you need to know where to rebound the grenade. And the third thing is you need to know the structure of the entire place, where there's a window, where there's an opening, so that you can drop a grenade right at him. There was this clip which I had used. तो यहाँ हुआ ऐसा था कि there was one more enemy remaining and I knew that he was somewhere in front. तो मैं बस उसके footsteps लेने के लिए. Here I realized that yes, now I know he's over there. And next thing I saw him moving towards the right, towards the staircase. And as you can see, there's a window over there where I threw the bomb. I perfectly cooked it and rebounded it. And I got a kill for myself. As a conclusion, you need to know every house, you need to know where the windows are, where there's an opening, so that you can properly kill someone. Depends upon the distance of you and your enemy. If your enemy is really far away, you can simply throw a 6-second grenade, and if your enemy is really close to you, like within the range of your the grenade, you can cook it properly. And like 1 second or 2 second difference you can throw it, so that it directly blasts on his face and it won't give him a chance to move around.
वो 3 बंदे आराम से. क्या बात है.
Nice.
So in this video Bomberman 2, again I knew there was an enemy over here. I'm moving towards him, and here I hear his footsteps. I hear him moving outside the warehouse, and next thing what I have in mind is he's standing over there, or maybe sitting over there. So I cook a grenade, and there's this opening over here from where I rebound the weapon. Now as you can see, there's only 2 seconds remaining for the weapon for the grenade to blast, and there you go. Within 2 seconds he did not have a chance to move around, and I got another kill. This is also where sound comes into play. When he stopped moving, I knew he was over there somewhere. He was probably against the wall or down. I wasn't sure, but then you have to take your chances. Grenade baiting is something, there was this moment which happened. I was pushing one house, and as you could see, I could knock one person down using the MK14. I used a molly to just for making sure that he or his teammate get caught by it, and there you go. Next thing, through sound I knew that there's a guy over there in the little room over there. So what I have in mind is I can probably cook a grenade and bait him. Now what we have to do over here is we have to pull the pin of the grenade and quickly keep it inside, remove your weapon and shoot at him. Now when I pulled the grenade, as you could see, he thought that I'll be throwing a grenade inside. He thought I'll run to the staircase and move to the terrace, but then this is what bait is. You have to pull the pin, और वो जैसे ही भाग के बाहर आया मैंने उसको गन से मार दिया.
कूदा दे मेरे साथ. ओए मजा आ जाएगा ऐसा करके मारा तो. ये फटात नहीं.
Yes, जीत गया.
I hope you like the tips and tricks given in this video by me. If you like the video, you can drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Sound is the most important factor in PUBG, because it helps you to, it helps you to know where your enemy is.